Welcome back to another KJ Lifestyle video. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Mishimoto oil catch can for the Kia Stinger. First, what you're going to want to do is take a 14mm bolt and loosen this bolt right here, right next to the strut bar. That is for the bracket. Next up, there's going to be two hose clamps that go to the PCV valve. You're just going to want to take those off with some channel locks or whatever you can use to pry those down. They may be a little bit difficult to get off, so try to use some sort of pry tool or a screwdriver just to get in there very gently and pry it off. The bottom one was a little bit more difficult, so we decided to disconnect the wiring harness and unscrew the bracket so we were able to get the pliers in a lot easier. Just make sure you don't lose that bolt down in the engine bay because it comes off pretty quickly. Next up, we use another pry tool to get the hose off the bottom side of the pipe. Now, once you've taken the pipe off, what you're going to want to do is take the longer pipe with the right angle, as you can see here, and snug it up on the bottom. You obviously can't do the top one yet because we don't have the catch can on. Now we're going to install the bracket. Take this little black spacer, put it on the top bolt. As you can see, there's two of them right there. And then slide the bracket in underneath where we left that little gap by the strut bar. It is a little bit difficult to do with one hand, so try to hold down the other side while you're tightening the bracket in. Now we're going to want to get the actual catch can ready. Take some oil and rub it on the seal as you would do a regular oil filter. Then you're just going to screw in the catch can. It goes to a point where it just stops, so you don't have to tighten it down too crazy. And also same thing with the inlet and the outlet, as you can see right here. Just put a little oil on that seal. Make sure you guys also read the instructions to see which side is the inlet and the outlet because they are not the same size. Next, we're just going to use a wrench and tighten these down. These also come to a point where they kind of stop, so don't tighten them too crazy because you don't want to break any threads. Next, there are these 3 Allen bolts. That's where you screw it in to the bracket. Once you have that on, you're able to slide in both pipes. Now the catch can is pretty much complete. Make sure you guys check all of your hose clamps to make sure they're tight and nothing's going to slide off. Now this next clip is after 1,500 miles of driving. As you can see, it did collect a decent amount of moisture, so you want to check this every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful, leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment box below.